I told you AI was going to save your content schedule. 30 days later, here's the truth. The real numbers, not the highlight reel. 30 days ago, I made a promise. I said I was going to batch 1 month of my YouTube content in one afternoon using my AI twin. No more filming every week, no more burning out. I did it, but here's what most people do. They show you the highlight reel, they tell you the system works, you believe it, you try it, and when your numbers look different from theirs, you think you did something wrong. I'm not doing that today. Today, I'm showing you the real data, the good, the honest, and what I'm adjusting. Because if you're a business owner trying to use YouTube, you don't need hype, you need a roadmap. I published 4 shorts in the last 30 days. Here's what happened. Film once, post all month, 128 views. My AI clone post while I sleep, 106 views. 2 more, 53 views and 58 views. That's 345 total short views out of roughly 485 views total across my channel. 71% of my channel traffic came from shorts. I had 2 traffic spikes, April 9th and April 27th, both driven by my shorts. Here's what that tells me. The discovery engine is working. People are finding this channel. The AI content strategy is getting eyeballs. That is the system doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Now here's the part most people skip. My long form videos, the ones shorts are supposed to drive people into, my best long form video, 47 views. Retention, 18.9%. The next one, 43 views. Retention, 20.4%. Industry average for long form, 40 to 50%. I'm at 18 to 26. That's the gap. Shorts are bringing people to the door, but my long form videos aren't keeping them inside long enough. This is not a failure. This is a diagnosis. And now I know exactly what to fix. Here's what most people do when retention is low. They make longer intros, more explanation, more context, more in this video I'm going to show you. More stuff. That's so wrong. Here's what you should do instead. Front load the payoff. The first 60 seconds of a long form video need to deliver on the promise of the short immediately. The moment someone clicks through, give them what they came for. No welcome back, no channel description, no 5-step disclaimer. Just the answer. That's what I'm changing, starting with my very next video. Here's what I want you to actually take away from this. If you're a business owner building a YouTube channel, you are going to have a gap period between when the system starts and when everything is firing at full capacity. Most people quit in that gap. They see low views, low retention, and they decide it's not working. It is working, you just haven't calibrated it yet. Think about it like hiring a new team member. They show up, they do the work, but they need feedback to get better. Your AI video creation system is the same way. The shorts are showing up, discovery is happening. Now I need to tighten what happens when someone clicks through. That's not failure, that's iteration. Before I show you what's next, if you haven't built your AI twin yet, that's your first move. I have a full video walking you through the entire HeyGen setup. Start to finish, under an hour. I'll drop the link at the end of this video. So here's exactly where we go from here. My next video is the step-by-step tutorial. How to actually build your AI twin. The exact settings, the exact workflow, under an hour. Because here's what the data is telling me. People are watching the shorts. They're curious about the system, but they need to see how it's done before they believe it will work for them. That video is coming next. I'll link it here when it's live. And if you want to follow the real journey, not the highlight one, the real one, subscribe. I upload twice a week. I'll see you in the next one.